In this video, we're going to go over some of the most common printing errors, how you can troubleshoot them, as well as some helpful tips. A couple of notes before we get started. Before you create and print labels, ensure you've completed the following tasks. Set up your courier service, validate your shipping address, and install the print application. Check the links in the video description for more information. Otherwise, let's get started. Bulk print orders from the orders screen by selecting multiple orders and clicking the Print Shipping Label button. You can only bulk print orders that use the same courier service, even though they may not have the same product code. Once you have selected the orders, click Print in the orders screen. The same method can be used for manifesting. Orders will print in the order they are sorted by in the New tab, not in the order in which they are selected. When bulk printing to print packing slips, you can use the same selection to add a tag. For example, printed packing slip, which you can then use to exclude them from the view. Another option could be to print the packing slip and the shipping label together, which will move the order to the Printed Shipped tabs. If you need to make changes, you could reprint the label. While the Starshipit desktop app is open the Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and find Starshipit desktop.exe and right-click it. Select Open File Location. Find Starshipit Desktop and right-click. Select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Tick Run this program as administrator, then select Apply and OK. Close the desktop app and open it again, and you should now be able to save your printing settings. If your packing slips are automatically printing double-sided, note that Starshipit does not control the setting, and you'll need to manage it through your printer settings. If packing slips are printing double-sided, which is also known as duplex printing, this is because it's set as the default mode on the printer. To resolve this issue, the steps may vary, but generally, you'll need to access your printer properties or preferences in your computer. Look for the Printing Settings or Setup menu. Change the default setting from double-sided or duplex to single-sided or simplex printing. If these adjustments in the printer settings do not stop the double-sided printing, you may need to follow up with your printer's manufacturer for detailed assistance, or check their website. Check your printer's ink or toner levels. Ensure the print head is clean and adjust the printer's resolution settings. Also, verify that you're using the correct label paper. You can typically adjust label sizes in the Settings menu of Starshipit, selecting from standard sizes or defining a custom size based on your needs. If your printer supports wireless printing, connect it to the same network as your computer and select it within Starshipit's printer settings. Ensure the printer is properly connected to your computer or network. Restart both your printer and computer and check that the latest drivers are installed. As long as the printer is networked correctly, you shouldn't need to set it up each time on each computer. Ensure that each computer has the necessary permissions to access the printer over the network. Download the label and print directly from the PDF to your computer. Did it print? If not, it's likely an issue with your printer. Try the steps below to troubleshoot. Check the printer itself is connected to your computer and is showing as online. You can check if a printer is online in your computer's printing settings. An offline printer in Windows shows as a grayed out icon in Devices and Printers. Macs will show the status in the printer menu. Check to see if the labels are showing in your printer's queue. If when you print, the labels show in the queue, then Starshipit is working correctly as it's successfully submitting labels to your printer queue. Did the label print from PDF but come out the wrong size or misaligned? It's likely an issue with the printer config and would recommend trying to recalibrate your printer. Recalibrating the printer allows it to check what paper size is currently loaded so it can determine where to start and finish printing a label on the roll. For printer-specific guidance, check the video description. If you're still having trouble, we'd recommend contacting your IT support or the printer company support so they can troubleshoot further. And that's it for our printing, troubleshooting and tips video. If you're looking for more guidance, we'd recommend heading over to your printer manufacturer's support pages. That way, you'll be able to find printer-specific FAQs and downloads if required. For more printing guidance, check out our YouTube channel and head over to our knowledge base for more guides. Happy shipping!